Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. The videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today's topic, market is falling. Will Nifty reach zero? This is one of the questions we received in our chat box. The question is as good as in Rajajinagar, the real estate rates are slumping. Presently 18,000 rupees per square foot. Will it reach zero? We know it is impossible. Similarly, Nifty goes down to certain level and after that it starts appreciating probably after few months. Today we will give you a clear picture. What happens if Nifty comes to zero? Highest 18,604 or 19th October 2021, now 15,360, that is on 16th June 2022. Nifty is minus 17% in 240 days and that equals to 8 months. Individual stocks are down anywhere between 20 to 40%. Now, if I give you the history of bear market in India, then you will understand when the Nifty is going to recover. March, April 1991 was the first instance in the recent memory, and that time Nifty fell by 20.2, number of days to the bottom 24, days to new all-time high 78. August 1997, second occasion, minus 38.3, number of days to bottom 481, days to new all-time high 224. Third, February 2000, minus 53.3%, 576 days to go to the bottom and to go to all-time high 826. January 2004, fourth occasion, 35.9% drop in Nifty 50, number of days to bottom 129, number of days to all-time high 212. May-June 2006 minus 31.2, 34 and 138 days, and the famous January 8 to October 2008 and minus 64.6, 293 versus 1869 to recover. March 2015 to February 2016 minus 25.1, 362 days to fall, 379 days to rise. January to March 2020, that is corona induced, all in the recent memory, minus 39.6, 64 days to go to bottom, 230 days to go to all-time high. So we are taking the average 38.5% drop in Nifty. Number of days to go to bottom is 246. Days to all-time high 495. Now putting them all into some kind of a summary. 1997 to 2022, there were 8 bear markets approximately every 3 years once. Average percentage fall 38.5, average bear market duration 246 days, that is 8 months, average number of days to recover from bottom to all-time high 495, that is 16 months. So the fall is usually much quicker at an average of 8 months, but usually it takes 16 months to recover. This is Nifty 50 graph 30 years. Look at the graph, the trend is always going up. Here and there are some small drops and big drops. Now I am giving you the picture of one individual company, that is Titan 20 years graph. Again it is all going up. Here and there some drops. Bull markets does not mean that it goes up continuously. Bear market does not mean that it will go down continuously. There will be small ups and downs in bull and bear phases. Now, to give you an idea about a recent crash and the big opportunity for investors. 20th January 2020, corona-induced crash, 12,430 was Nifty 50, and 23rd March 2020 was the bottom 7583 minus 39%, and 19th October 2021 was the highest in the recent memory, 18,604. Calculated to the bottom, it is 145% up. Now I am giving you some picture of individual stocks crash and recovery due to corona. All this exercise we are doing is only to motivate you to start investing when the stocks are down, lest you repent later when they reach their all-time highs. Asian Paint 1498 is the lowest, highest 3183, 112% rise. This is Corona times. Titan 223% up from the bottom. HDFC Bank 120% up. Bajaj Finance 334% up. L&T 161% up. In spite of huge fall in markets recently, it is still higher than the level in January 2020 and almost double from the lowest point in March 2020. In the long term, say 5 years plus, stock markets always go up. But in short term, there is up and down, and most investors invest for a very short period and get stuck in stock markets. Now we are giving you an idea about the 2008 great historic crash. Individual stocks. Asian Paints 75 versus 143, 91% rise. Titan Company 74% rise. HDFC Bank 83% up. Bajaj Finance 280% appreciation. L&T 167% appreciation. To give you an idea how a stock goes up and down in a period of 22 years, we are giving you the yearly average of Titan from 2000 to 2021. 2000 the average was 3 rupees and 2021 the average was 2524, almost 300% appreciation. Now I am going to give you a list of stocks currently near 52 weeks low. Asian Paints 3590 and 2585. Bajaj Finance 8050, 52 weeks highest, 52 weeks low, 5255. Bajaj Financial Service 19,325 versus 11,265. Divi's Lab 5425 versus 3365. Eicher Motors 2995 versus 2110. HDFC 3021 versus 2046. Now going up, HDFC Bank 1725 versus 1248. JSW Steel 790 versus 520. Kotak Mahindra Bank 2253 1626. Dabur 659 versus 488. TCS 4046 versus 3132. Titan Company 2768 versus 1662. Deliberately, I am not reading the current price because of lack of time. However, you can calculate how close is the current price to 52 weeks low, and the idea of doing this video is only to show you that there are many stocks which are worth buying at a discount sale. Finally, the summary of the video. Markets go down for temporary reasons such as corona, US recession, war, etc. But the final long-term trend is always going up. Friends, if the video is good and informative, type informative in the chat box. If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends so that they too will be abreast, and finally, the video is good, press the like button. Thank you and all the best.